Hi friends, welcome back to Pharmacona. So today we are going to discuss some important questions related to Pharmaceutics 1. So let's start. Question number 1. Dusting powder should be passed through dash sieve to enhance their effectiveness. Here the options are 20, 40, 80 and none. Here the answer is none. Dusting powder is a very fine powder, so it should be passed through sieve number 120 or 180. Here the explanation table. Here there are two columns and one column represents the grade of powders. That is coarse powders, moderately coarse powders, moderately fine powder and very fine powders. Second column represents sieve numbers through which all particles are passed. Okay, here our dusting powder is a very fine powder, so it should be passed through sieve number 120. If the question is asked about the fine powders, the answer will be 85. If it is moderately fine powder, the answer will be 44. And if it is moderately coarse powder, the answer will be 22. And if it is a coarse powder, then the sieve number should be passed through is sieve number 10. Okay. Question number 2. The concentration of sugar in simple syrup is dash according to IP. Here the options are 66%, 77%, 90% and 99%. Here the answer is option A, 66%. Question number 3. Linctuses are viscous liquids and are commonly used for? Options are analgesics, anthelmintics, relief of cough and relief of acidity. Linctuses are commonly used for the relief of cough. Here answer is option C, relief of cough. Question number 4. Choose the wrong statement related to liniments. Option A. Liniment are meant for application to the skin. Option B. It can be applied to the skin with the friction and a rubbing. Option C. Can be applied to broken skin. Option D. Have counter irritant action. We know liniments are meant for application to the skin. And they are applied to the skin with friction and a rubbing. So the option A and B are correct. When we come to C, it is said that it can be applied to broken skin. But liniments are not applied to the broken skin because it may cause excessive irritations. And the option D is it have counter irritant action, which is also right. Hence the answer is option C. Question number 5. Wool fat is also called? Options are lanolin, anhydrous lanolin. Options A and B, none of the above. Here the answer is anhydrous lanolin. Wool fat is known as anhydrous lanolin, whereby hydrous wool fat is said to be lanolin. Question number 6. The first edition of Pharmacopoeia of India was published in? Options are 1955, 1960, 1966 and 1953. Here the answer is option A, 1955. In 1960, the supplement of first edition was published. And in 1966, the second edition of IP was published. Then in 1953, the first Indian Pharmaceutical Codex was published. Question number 7. Which edition of Pharmacopoeia introduced appendix on water for pharmaceutical use? Here the options are first, second, third and fourth edition. Here the answer is option C, third edition. It clearly indicates the different official standard in respect of purified water, water for injection and sterile water for injection. Question number 8. How many monographs are there in Indian Pharmacopoeia list? Options are 100, 150, 170 and 180. Here the answer is 180. Question number 9. The new edition of British Pharmacopoeia is published after every? Options are 4 years, 5 years, 6 years and alternate years. Here the answer is 5 years. Question number 10. The Indian Pharmacopoeia list was published as a supplement to? Options are British Pharmacopoeia, USP, Pharmacopoeia of India, IPC. Here the answer is option A, British Pharmacopoeia. Question number 11. 1 drop is equal to? Options are 0.6 ml, 0.06 ml, 0.5 ml and 0.1 ml. Here the answer is option B, 0.06 ml. Here the table is 1 drop is 0.06 ml, 1 teaspoon is 4 ml, 1 dessert spoonful 8 ml, 1 tablespoonful 15 ml, 2 tablespoonful 30 ml, 1 wine glass full 60 ml, 1 teacup full 120 ml and 1 tumbler full is 240 ml. Question number 12. Standard unit of capacity in imperial system. Here the options are quart, gallon, minim and pint. Here the answer is option B, gallon. Gallon is the standard unit and all the other measures of capacity are derived from it. 1 gallon is equal to 160 fluid ounce. 1 quart is 1000 ml and 1 minim is 0.06 ml, that is 1 drop. Then 1 pint is 500 ml. Question number 13. 1 pint is equal to dash. That we already have discussed. 1 pint is equal to 500 ml. Question number 14. Dash means parts per 100 in metric system. Parts per 100 means percentage. So the answer is option A, percentage. Question number 15. It is the most repeated question. The solution to be used as an ophthalmic and injectable should be option A, isotonic, option B, hypotonic, option C, hypertonic and option D, paratonic. Here the answer is option A, isotonic.